Did you accidentally uninstall an important software from your PC or laptop? Do not worry, because you can still recover it. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to recover deleted or uninstalled programs on Windows 10, 11, or any other Windows PC. First, let us start with the easiest method, which is System Restore. Go to the Start menu and search for Create a Restore Point and open it. In the System Properties window, click on System Restore, then click Next. You will now see a list of restore points. Choose a restore point from a date before you uninstall the software. Then click Next and finish. Your PC will restart and begin the restoration process. This method will not delete your personal files, but it will bring back system settings and previously installed programs. Once your PC turns back on, check if your software has been restored. If this method does not work, you can simply reinstall the program. Go to the official website or Microsoft Store, download the software again and install it. If the app had login or cloud sync, your data may automatically come back after signing in. You can also check your backup files or external storage. Sometimes installers or program files are already saved in your system or cloud storage, so you can quickly restore them from there. If none of these methods work, then you can use a professional recovery tool like Stellar Data Recovery for Windows. This software helps you recover deleted program files and important data from your PC or laptop. Just install it, scan your drive, and recover the lost files easily, even if they were permanently deleted. Watch my Stellar Data Recovery review to learn more about it. This is how you can recover deleted software on Windows. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and I will see you in the next video.